Welcome to our VirtuaLaw legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the case of TESDA v. COA, G.R. number 204869. This landmark case was decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines on March 11, 2014. Let's dive right into it. Facts. The Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, TESDA, paid its officials and personnel an additional reimbursement for representation and transportation expenses, in excess of the amount authorized by law. The Commission on Audit, COA, disallowed the disbursement of the excess finding that it was unauthorized and in violation of the Constitution. TESDA challenged the COA's decision before the Supreme Court. Issue: whether the COA acted with grave abuse of discretion in disallowing the disbursement of the excess Ruling: the Supreme Court affirmed the COA's decision. The court held that the Constitution prohibits the disbursement of public funds without an appropriation law or other statute specifically authorizing it. TESDA failed to point out any law that authorized it to grant additional reimbursement for The court also found that the disbursement of the excess was not made in good faith, as TESDA officials were aware that it was unauthorized. Significance: the case of TESDA v. COA sets an important precedent. On the strict application of the rule that public funds cannot be disbursed without an appropriation law or other statute specifically authorizing it. This rule is designed to ensure that public funds are used for their intended purposes and that they are not wasted or misappropriated. Additional points to consider: the COA is the constitutional body tasked with auditing government agencies and ensuring that they are properly managing public funds. The Supreme Court has repeatedly held that the COA's decisions are entitled to great respect and should not be overturned lightly. The case of TESDA v. COA is a reminder that government officials have a duty to ensure that public funds are used in accordance with the law. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding landmark case helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.